Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts and creative minds. The Sondiko Butane Torch with fuel gauge S907. As an avid DIYer, always on the lookout for tools that truly make a difference, I can confidently say this torch has redefined what I expect from my equipment. This isn't just any butane torch, it's a meticulously designed instrument that addresses some of the most common frustrations faced by crafters and professionals alike. The first and perhaps most impactful feature is its refillable design. Forget the days of tossing out a perfectly good tool just because the fuel ran dry. With the Sondiko S907, a quick refill is all it takes to get back to work, saving you both money and the environmental guilt of constant replacements. The ability to fine-tune the flame's intensity and size means you can tackle projects with confidence, knowing you have the perfect heat source for every task. This versatility truly makes it an indispensable tool for a wide array of crafts and repairs. And then there's the truly brilliant addition, the built-in fuel gauge. How many times have you been deep in the zone, nearing completion of a critical project, only for your torch to sputter and die without warning? It's a frustrating interruption that can completely derail your workflow. Coupled with the genius of the integrated fuel gauge, this torch stands out as an exceptionally user-friendly and indispensable addition to any toolbox. Do yourself a massive favor and experience the difference for yourself. Getting your hands on one of these will elevate your crafting and repair capabilities to a whole new level. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that bell to stay up to date with helpful reviews.